What are you working on there, Radiator?
Well, Bob, sometimes I wonder if my dreams aren't worth having. So I got spacers on my crap because, you know, can't afford wheels that fit.
Craigslist
I got
Z06 wheels.
spacers, you know, we were whistling diesel enough in this thing. These sweet brakes on this ride.
Yep, Bear big brake kit.
So I go to move my rear spacer, which has a sweet hub-centric ring on it. And that's all she wrote.
That ain't working.
I mean, you can try to put a nut on there and see what happened, but
Not good.
I think we're gonna move to the lathe. Quick, here we're going to Ellsworth Machine. We're gonna put these puppies on the lathe. So we're back. Now we're at an Ellsworth Racing machine shop. Had a beautiful weekend in Gulfport, Mississippi. Had a ton of blast. It's Monday. Drove all through the night. So we got a hot job.
Hot job.
That we didn't even know we were gonna do, but here we are. So we got her shucked up on the lathe. Nice thing, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a few thousandths off of here and pop that concentric ring off.
Well, let's see how it goes. Are you ready?
I'm kind of ready. I'm gonna tighten this up quick.
Real zip zip.
We'll get the run out dialed in, and then we'll cut it out.
All right.
So we got the part on the lathe. Okay.
Got our PPE on.
And we gotta get the lathe going. Keys. All right, got the keys in your hand. Wait for the.
All right. All right. Lathe engaged. Classy. Real classy. If you're gonna wear a back brace, you might as well wear one with some style, huh? Well, that liquid MOLY works really good for that. Okay. Okay, now we shut off the lathe. Don't put it in park with the engine running without the tires on the ground because it'll wreck the parking pall in the transmission.
People don't know that.
Yeah, weird. Some people don't know that. Some people don't understand that.
Little test fit here, you know.
Maybe we'll test it. Look at that.
You have to guess.
Look
We
at
got
that
another,
fine machine work in there. That is.
yeah, another 20 thousandths to
that's
go,
mint.
but
That's mint.
I want to creep up on it. You know.
Oh, we got 20,000 to go, Ray?
I think so. We gotta creep up on it. Lots of shavings in here, so that's important. You gotta.
Finger the shavings.
It's a motion. So, very important step. You gotta bolt the spacer on.
We forgot lug nuts.
Tuck it up in the lathe, okay?
Yes, sir. No neutral safety switch, because why wire that in? Liquid MOLY. What's up, dude? How's it coming along?
Well, see, we still got the hub-centric lip there. Come back over here.
Woo!
I mean, look at this fit. Look at that.
Man, you got like a good eye.
I told you I had to take another 20 thousandths off it, and that's what I did.
Got 10 thou eye. That is mint. That is good stuff. All right, well, I guess on to the next one, eh?
Only one to go, bro.
Only one to go, bro.
Only one to go, bro.
Ellsworth Machine. Bring it on by. We'll fix it for you.
First, dude, we fix it.
That's what we do around here.